Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 5, Golden Arrows 0. I'm joined by Uprajabu.
Hey, Stibo, how's it?
Angimnandi Prache.
Stibo, namhlanje sithi player of the season is closed.
Yeah,
It's Relebohile Mofokeng.
Yes.
The goalkeeper of the season also is closed.
Yes.
It's Sipho Chai.
Yeah.
Valid.
Yeah,
Stibo, Nelson Mandela once said, "It looks impossible until it's done."
That's right.
There were supporters. Ebeba attend the game ye Sundowns my winner 4-1 against the Chippa United. Those are the plastic fans. Because Mababuya kule game they said to us, no, the league is gone.
Yes.
You see, abantu abakhuluma njalo Orlando Pirates asinabo thina sithi igame yokugcina izodetermine ukuthi ubani uthatha league. And Stibo was saying thina we are competing.
Yes.
Siyayibona lento la siyakhona.
Yes.
Lastly Stibo masengivala ngoba sibhaya. There's an argument ekhona yokuthi ama-fans ayaya ku-World Cup, ama-fans awayi ku-World Cup.
Yes,
Stibo, that argument is very important.
Yes,
we are saying ku-minister we-sports, mawukhona ukuhambisa ama-fans we-rugby ukuthi aye ku-World Cup, hambisa ama-fans we-football as well. We heard ukuthi umama Joy was advocating ukuthi ama-fans mawahambe and uminister retaliated ngendlela ka-retaliate ngayo. Thina we are saying Umama Joy stands for South African fans ukuthi mawaye ku-World Cup. Akazi represent yena as a person. So Stibo, uminister mangabe akakhona uku-arrange izinto zakhe makachipe out. But angeke ahambisa abantu ku-World Cup ye-rugby, ahluleke kuhambisa abantu kulona ku-World Cup ye-football. I-Orlando Pirates City sizoba nayo until ekugcineni Stibo. Siyabonga.